Making a list of what the driver damaged?
Oh yeah, bud, and we're gonna send it away and see what he wants to pay.
What did he get?
I don't know. There's going to be, so far we got headlight, upper grille, fender, fixed fender and paint, fixed door and paint, fixed door handle and paint, fixed front bumper and paint, front bumper lower valance, fixed hood and paint. And that piece right there, that's totally fucking smashed.
Like on average, we get around 30 trucks a month delivered here. Not everyone actually gets damaged by the delivery drivers, but it just happened to be the one that we planned on filming did. So Devin did make a list of everything that did happen to the truck. We were going to approach the company about getting some compensation for that. Yes, we're buying a damaged vehicle, but that stuff does add up when it happens, right? So, I mean, we don't want additional damages to the vehicles, but it is what it is. Things happened. I personally don't know what exactly happened to this truck when it got dropped off with some more damages on it, but it is what it is. We dealt with it, or we're going to deal with it and move forward.
So today we're just got this back in. We're going to take it all apart, get it ready for the body shop. First off, we're going to start with the front end here that got a little damaged on delivery. We're going to take it all back apart, put the new parts on, and send her off to the body shop, get some new paint. In order to get it ready to go to the body shop, we got to pull all the panels off. We're going to strip them all because these are all individual pieces. And same with the fender. We got to strip this whole side of the truck because it got side swipes in the accident, and we're only going to paint the one side. So we got to strip the doors, all moldings, emblems, everything.
So just for me asking now, the whole truck's not going to the body shop?
The whole truck is going to the body shop, but they're only going to paint half of it.
Right, so strip it as in badges. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Okay, so they'll paint, we'll get a new one of these, we'll paint it, paint that, we'll paint this, paint the hood, bumper, fender. We'll probably go right back to about here. Well, no, we'll go, there's damage on this door too, so this door might even end up getting replaced. We're not too sure yet. They gotta take a better look at that at the body shop. But yeah, this whole side of this truck will end up getting painted. Oh man.
What are you doing, Devin?
I'm gonna take this list up to Jory so they can price it all out and send it off to the tow truck driver who damaged the truck. Tow truck. I'll write that on it. You'll know what it is.
It's only 4 o'clock. No, I guess it's almost 5, eh?
I just went and handed the parts list in to Jordy, but he's gone home, so time to go back to work.
I gotta take out the stripping, exterior stripping, the door panel. Just
Terry, how much is this truck you paint?
fuck, I lost myself.
We gotta get into the hood.
All the weather stripping?
Yeah.
Right?
The door panels, the stripping, and door handles.
Basically it.
Never noticed that first time around.
Joel did, it's on video. Joel did, it's on video, he points that out. Moment he did like his first little speech, he pointed out that door.
I like that hood. Yeah, it got Nick. We're gonna fix that without painting the hood.
These don't come down anymore.
You gotta grab this inside edge and flip it back. If you don't, you'll fucking break it every fucking time.
I can't get that inside edge.
You break it, you buy it.
Piece of shit.
No, actually I didn't. My clip just come in. Asshole! It looks windy out there. Dedication.
Up in the air, it is spinning.
That'll bug him real good. He's gonna have to get his hepatitis C shot. Buddy, you don't even understand. Dirty thong hanging off the rear mirror. Like a dirty, like not even clean.
The guys finished up today stripping the whole passenger side of the truck, the mirror off, the door handles out, the door panels off, all the weather stripping. The whole truck is prepped and ready to go to the body shop. So in the morning we're going to be loading it up on our tilt and load and delivering it over there.
Lot of blessings piling up that I ain't even wished for. None left over for y'all. I'm locking the fridge door at the crib, cutting hits. I read through the catalog, came to the conclusion no one's touching it.
Chris is taking it to the body shop right now. Get her fixed up. The 2019 Cummins is on its way to the body shop right now. The whole passenger side is prepped and ready for them to start working on it. We're stopping anyway.
Perfect.
We're on our way to the body shop to check up on the 2019 Cummins build. The guys phoned me and said that they just got it in on the rack and they're going to start working on it here. So yeah, we got to check up on it, get everything on film, what we're going to actually do at the body shop to show you guys what it takes to actually rebuild a truck. Let's try it. Oh. Sweet. Is Brad not here today? Yeah? Not that I just didn't. What's up, Leroy? This booth's a lot bigger, eh?
This booth? Yeah. Yeah. It's nice. You can open the doors all the way. Easy to work around. Yeah. It's a good sized booth. It's not a real booth though, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
But
it works for what we need.
yeah.
Yeah. Because otherwise, yeah, you'd be cramped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna take a few shots of that truck and
Yeah. On buying a box, or because he thinks he might have found an affordable one.
yeah.
So whether we just switch the box or do that side.
Yeah. He was trying to. Yeah. I think he had found somebody that had one or
Yeah.
something. So
Yeah. So, anyways, but he can pull the box side, work that structure out first, and then if he decides to put a skin, at least it's ready. And if not, just swap the box.
yeah.
Right.
Okay. Cool.
It could have been me in a suit, but you had your cake and you eating it too. Fuck, you never thought you'd go back on your word. Broken promises set me back down to earth, back down on the curb. Guess time heals all acceptance. Cut deep enough to leave me infected. I fell victim to all those intentions. Because of you, I can't make a connection. Everybody in question, who you got around, guess I.
All right, guys, we're at the body shop today. The 2019 Cummins build just got in here. We got it on the rack, and we're going to dive into some body work that needs to be done on this truck. So remember here, there was definitely some damage on the rocker, the cab corner, and then this passenger side box side as well. The truck's been completely stripped. It's ready to be painted after we get that body work done. So the guys are going to dive into this today and get her done. This is one of two body shops that we own. There's a few bays here, our frame machines here. We got two booths here that we spray out of. And this truck is probably going to be here for a week. And we'll be able to wrap it up. So we're actually still undecided on if we're going to be putting a whole new box on the truck or just a box side. Realistically, the driver's side on the truck wasn't touched at all. It's completely fine. It's just whether or not we can find a full box for a reasonable price, depending on color, things like that. We know we can get a new box side from the dealer and slap one on here real quick, but sometimes it's a lot easier to just throw a whole box on it, and we can repair this when we have some time.
Who runs this shop down here?
After Ernie retired last week, he owned this place for over 30 years. He's been an auto body technician for almost 50 years, and now that he's gone, Leroy, that's worked beside him here for quite a few years, he's taken over as a manager here. He's our main painter, and now he's running the crew of 6 guys here. Yeah, but we're gonna take one off of a truck. Like Brian's cut one out, but you're gonna take this whole piece from, like, say here to here out and put the new one in. Is that?
That's right. I'm just gonna give it a pull first.
Yeah, you're gonna pull this out a bit and then
Cut it.
take it out. Yeah.
And are we changing the door or are we fixing the door?
There was talk of trying to actually just get a door. He was looking in to see. Depends on if he can get one in a timely manner or not. I mean, technically we could fix it, but if you can just replace it, we can fix it later too.
Yeah.
But, and then same with the box. I don't know if they haven't really decided on the actual, just a box side or the whole box. I think they found a whole box, but it's whether or not the price is going to be right to do that. But ideally, you're going to be doing the rocker and the cab corner here first, that section, and then, because if we are putting a new door on, it's just going to come off and slap a new one on. And if it needs paint, it needs paint. But okay, easy.
For me, it is.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
Actually, this is not that bad at all.
Yeah.
I fixed worse than this.
Yeah.
But I don't like to replace, but I do want to come.
All right, we're going to leave Fabricio here to get started on the 2019 Cummins. We're going to head back to the shop for some lunch. Okay, we'll be back Monday. The last couple days on the 2019 Cummins rebuild, we made some good progress. The guys assessed the damages to what the tow truck driver actually did. We prepped the truck to go to the body shop to be fixed. We delivered it to our body shop and made a game plan on what we're actually gonna do to fix the truck. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on these videos, because there's gonna be more on this truck and more videos coming out of us rebuilding trucks.